Look at that strong head. That's so much better. Yeah. You're lifting your head up. You're actually kind of happy doing it. Usually you don't like doing tummy time when you're flat on your belly. Tell me, what do you think about your tummy time? We don't do enough of it, do we? We gotta make you super strong, little man. Yeah. We gotta make you a super strong little man. That's kind of a goofy video, isn't it? Yeah, that's a good job, man. Right, man? Are you kicking your legs? Come on. Come on, you can talk to me. You can kick. Yeah. Braylon. What do you think? What do you think, huh? What do you think, huh? What do you think? Mom. Get a little frustrated? You want me to help you now? Okay. Mommy will help you.